बैक टू माई चैनल। सो आज का वीडियो बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग है। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू रिव्यू और गिव माई फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन ऑन सेरी कॉस्मेटिक्स। सेरी कॉस्मेटिक्स आई थिंक इंडिया में रिसेंटली लॉन्च हुआ है। दिस इज़ एन इंडियन बेस्ड ब्रांड एंड इसके सारे प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत ही रीजनेबल होते हैं, अराउंड 500। आई थिंक इसका सबसे प्राइसिएस्ट प्रोडक्ट इज़ देयर स्टिक हाइलाइटर. I personally have not purchased that this time, but do let me know if you want me to try that out. They also have foundation and concealer stick as well जो मैंने नहीं खरीदा. I just bought couple of products जो मुझे लगा कि I might use it on my regular basis. So that's what I purchased. So coming to today's video, I've already prepped my skin. As you can see, I've applied foundation, concealer, थोड़ा सा powder लगाया है underneath my eyes. I did not drag the powder to my cheekbones or anything because I have a blusher that I have to test. So I'm going to try these 3 products first and see how they perform. Coming to the packaging of the product, ये बहुत ही sleek black cardboard packaging में आता है and when you open the packaging you have a cushion जिसके अंदर products will be there. The blusher and I have got the shade Coral Cat B3 and when you twist you have the product. I love the packaging of this blusher. It is so beautiful, so sleek. It reminds me of the NARS blusher. It says that ये बहुत ही natural लगेगा cheeks पे और बहुत ही long lasting and silky touch होगा. Got the shade Coral Cat. I think this is a pretty peachy kind of a shade. I think that's a very nicely pigmented blusher. So I'm going to maybe put 2 lines on each side because ऐसा कुछ mention नहीं है कि कितना लेना है. As per this, I think it's pretty pigmented. So I'm just going to put 2 to 3 lines. We'll start off with 2 and then we'll move further. So I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill Morphe blush. I just applied few more lines right at the back. It's a very wearable everyday peachish kind of a shade. Don't get me wrong guys, it is really good, but as you can see यहाँ पर I would prefer it to be a little bit more pigmented. So I'm just applying a tad bit more and blending it out. My cheeks look blushed, but I would prefer it to be a bit more pigmented. Coming to the eyeshadow stick, comes in this cardboard packaging. It has a cushion kind of a thing inside it to protect your product. So I have bought the Focus Eye eyeshadow stick E1 Night. It is a dark black, very pigmented black kind of shade and it's definitely pretty blendable. So I'm actually planning on doing something very bold. We'll see how it works. So I'm just taking the pencil and I'll be applying a straight line very close to my lash line. That's definitely very pigmented and very smooth as well. So I'm just going to thicken it up a little bit and don't worry if it's messy. We are going to just blend it out using a shader brush. बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से blend हुआ है and I think बहुत ही creamy formula था. ज़्यादा time नहीं लगा blend करने में. I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution Tropical Carnival palette और मैं ये वाला shade लूँगी and मैं इसको slightly यहाँ पे लगाऊँगी on my crease and I'll just bring it in. Now I'm going to apply this on my waterline. So yeah, that is how it looks. I'm just taking a champagne-y kind of a shade. This is All I Need eyeshadow palette and this one is in the shade Cast a Spell. So I'm just going to apply the highlighter shade ऐसे inner corner पे. It's a very icy but at the same time champagne-y kind of a shade. Well, that is how it looks. I'm going to create the same on the other eye and I'll be right back. So I've just finished off doing both of my eyes and I have definitely made up my mind regarding this particular product, the eyeshadow stick. It is so smooth and easy to glide on and even when you blend it, it doesn't lose its blackness or its pigmentation. So I do have to see how it wears, if it transfers to my lid or not, but the formulation is definitely good. So the last product from this range that I purchased is the lipstick. This is the matte lipstick in the shade Beauty Brick, and this is, I think, the darkest shade from the range, क्योंकि अभी winter season शुरू हो गया है, so I thought why not just give a wine shade or a dark plum shade a go. So while applying this, I think मुझे थोड़ा सा pressure लगाना पड़ा. Maybe it's because this is the first time I'm using and product थोड़ा warm up होना चाहिए, to glide on to your lips. Maybe it's because of that. थोड़ा सा shiny formula है, not completely matte. So that is the swatch of the lipstick. That is how the lipstick looks on me, guys. I'm not really a big fan. It definitely feels a lot more waxy on the lips. It definitely feels I have something on my lips. It's not lightweight by any means. If I want to wear a plum bright kind of a shade, I might not reach for this one. Also, the color is not unique at all. So when I saw this particular lipstick on Nykaa, this is how it looked. And this is what I came up with. It's red. Not red, I would say it's a brick kind of a shade. It's definitely not this shade. So I would say skip on this matte lipstick and go for the eyeshadow stick if you want to try. Now coming to the makeup removing wipes, this is how the packaging is. These have 15 wipes in it. This retailed for 175 rupees, and it says it is dermat tested, non-comedogenic soap, and alcohol free and paraben free as well. Make sure that you seal the lid really nicely after you use the wipes, वरना ये dry हो जाएंगे. It's not very luxurious kind of, but coming for the price, it's just 175 rupees, so I'll definitely give it to that. This is how this looks. It's not completely wet, it's little dry on the touch. So I'm just going to place my wipe. I'm going to press it for maybe 10 seconds and then we'll wipe and see how it works. I was actually looking out for some wipes because I swatch multiple products when I'm doing makeup, so I wanted something really easy so that I can just pull off and remove the makeup. So I thought, why not just test it out. I'm just quickly going to wipe this. I'm just going to wipe off the rest. As you can see, my hand is completely clean. I would not use this on my face because I have a hell lot of makeup on, and I don't think one wipe would be sufficient for me, and I would probably waste the product. So I'll keep this to remove makeup, or maybe to just clean off my brushes then and there when I'm doing the video. So I think it's a very good purchase. 175 rupees on 15% off. I think it's a really good bargain for me. Well, that is pretty much it, guys. I definitely think that थोड़े products जो मैंने try किए हैं वो बहुत अच्छे हैं, जैसे कि the eyeshadow stick बहुत ही अच्छे से pigmented है, बहुत ही opaque black shade है, and it glides on so smoothly. Also the makeup wipe is really good. I'm not sure ये face पे कैसा लगेगा, but जितना मैंने अपने हाथ पे use किया and जैसे आपने देखा, it's definitely really good one. The consistency of the blusher थोड़ा सा मुझे thick लगा, थोड़ा सा मेरे को टाइट लगा अपने स्किन पे, पर जब आप ब्लेंड करते हो इट्स डेफिनेटली ब्लेंडेबल. इट रियली ब्लेंडेड ऑफ नाइसली. आई डोंट नो, द ब्लशर इज नॉट समथिंग दैट आई विल रीच as well as the lipstick, just because it doesn't look that comfortable on lips. It's not super lightweight as well. It's a little bit waxier. So those are my thoughts. I hope you guys like the video. If you do, please do like, share the video and subscribe to my channel, and also leave me in the comments down below what video you want to see more. All the products that I have used in my video would be listed down in the description box. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like the video. I'll see you soon in my next one.